Hey guys, my name is Velma I and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update of what is going on in my life. Also an update of what will be going on my channel. If you don't know by the title, I'm going to be finally leaving my full-time job to become a full-time lash makeup brow artist, if that's what you call it. So now that I will be leaving my full-time job, it's insane. Like, it has been a long time coming, but I really honestly never thought that I would get here. I'm not trying to brag or say that I'm gonna do amazing, because you just never know in the beauty industry. But I do have faith in God, and I have faith in myself and in my determination. There's just a lot. There's definitely a lot of pros and cons to leaving your full-time safe job and insurance and all that for something that you want to do full-time on your own. Like, basically you're just left on your own, and that's okay. Sometimes what I'm doing is, honestly, I'm just taking a leap of faith. I have a lot of people behind that support me, and that alone like makes it so much easier to have somebody that understands your goals and just everything. So yeah, the current job that I have had for going on 4 years, and I was a lab tech. So very sadly, I'm gonna miss all my coworkers. Like, there hasn't been a job in a long time that I actually loved everybody. Like, my supervisor, my coworkers, like, I just was happy there. I was very happy. I had it made. I mean, as in, had it made, it's an easy job. I really gave it my all, but honestly, like, if you're trying to build something, you're gonna have to, at the end of the day, you're gonna have to choose what you want to do. It started getting too much. Not too much, like, I could still go on and still do it. Also, I'm still gonna be there another month or so. I'm not like completely out the door. So I've had many sleepless nights thinking about it. Like, there's a lot of pros and cons, and it's very scary, but honestly, I'm just taking a leap of faith. Like, I just have to put my foot forward and just kind of go and see what happens. Like, it's either now or never. And I know you guys are like so supportive. Thank you so much for all of you that always comment on my videos. We're about to hit 7 subscribers. Yeah, okay. We're about to hit 7,000 subscribers, so I'm excited about that. I'll be doing a giveaway hopefully soon, once I have more time to film more videos. And there's, like I said, there's so many pros and cons. A lot of the pros are that I have my kid that I can actually spend time with. You know, I'm always having to take a day off here or there, or never able to go to any of her games or anything that she's involved in, and it really sucks. And I mean, that's the struggle of life. I've never had anything handed to me, so it was a struggle, and we pulled through, and we're here now. And so now I get to go home and cook dinner for her, or leave when I want. Like, I get to be my own boss. Like, it has not hit me a lot. Like, I have thought about it here and there, and I'm like, oh my god, like, I'm about to embark in like a whole new world. Like, it's gonna be different. I do have my boyfriend that lives with me, and he does have his 2 kids that live with us, which are now my kids. So I have 3 kids that I'm gonna be able to be in their lives and be there more for, and do more things. Like, we're gonna just have an amazing summer, hopefully. Hope to God. Be able to go to the gym, be able to make my own routine, like actually eat food at the right times, and maybe I can get some weight off. But it's been hard just working full-time, kids, boyfriend. Like, sometimes, yeah, like, a lot of people are like, how do you do it? And yes, I was doing it, but damn, like, it takes a toll on you. And I just really want to do what I love now, and it's time. I'm 35 years old. It's either now or never, and I'm doing good, thanks to God. Just so many new things to come. There's a lot of pros, a lot of cons, and honestly, I am excited to just be able to be a mom, be able to be home more, things like that. Like, it's gonna be amazing, and I cannot wait to be my own boss. Like, I pretty much am now. I have been in this salon I'm here in my salon right now. As you guys can see, that's my door to my lash room. But I've been here for a few months. I have had this business on the side. I've been doing like side hustling for about 2 years now. I want to say 2 years, and it's been really tough. I work many hours of the day, guys. Like, I go in at 6 in the morning sometimes, get off, come straight to do lashes, and I'm here till about 10 p.m. and that's not like 1 or 2 days out of the week. That's sometimes 4 to 5 to 6 days out of the week. Sometimes I'm here Saturdays and Sundays. So I feel like I have put my all into it, and now it's time to, now that I don't have anywhere to squeeze in any more clients, I feel like it's time to grow. And I recently got microblade certified, so I'm excited. That's gonna be like a whole other world on top of eyelashes. But yeah, I'm just excited, and I wanted to share it with you guys, and hopefully you guys comment down below, let me know what you want to see. I can't wait to get back like makeup videos and things like that, so that will be coming soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this quick video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my intro. Give me a thumbs up and let me know that you did like it, because it's so cute and creative, and I had somebody make it for me on Fiverr, and it just came out super cute. So yeah, I'm ready and I'm excited, and I hope you guys are excited to see more videos from me. They will be coming real soon. I'm gonna get working on it right away, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, my name is Velma I, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update of what is going on in my life, and also what will be going on also an update of what will be going on my channel. So if you don't know by the title, I'm going to be finally leaving my full-time job to become a full-time lash, makeup, brow artist, if that's, yeah, what'd you call it. So yeah, so now that I will be leaving my full-time job, it's insane. Like, it has been a long time coming, but I really honestly never thought that I would get here. I'm not trying to brag or say that I'm gonna do amazing, because you just never know in the beauty industry. But I do have faith in God, and I have faith in myself and in my determination. There's just a lot. There's definitely a lot of pros and cons to leaving your full-time safe job and insurance and all that for something that you want to do full-time on your own. Like, basically you're just left on your own, and that's okay. Sometimes what I'm doing is, honestly, I'm just taking a leap of faith. I have a lot of people behind that support me, and that alone like makes it